Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by Dibesh sir. In our previous class, we have discussed about adjoint of matrix, inverse of matrix, and unique solution of system of linear equation. So today I'm going to show you how to solve problem regarding above concept. So stay with me. Let's begin our class. First question: for a 2 3 minus 1 to prove that a square minus 4a plus 7i2 is equal to 0 and hence obtain A inverse A inverse. So we have to prove first a square minus 4a plus 7i2 is equal to 0. Then obtain A inverse. First find A square. A square means A into A, that is 2 3 minus 1 2 into 2 3 minus 1 2. So this is 2 cross 2, this is also 2 cross 2, multiply it, 2 2s are 4, multiply this with this, 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1 minus 1 minus 3. Next this, multiply this, 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6, multiply this with this, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Next this with this, minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 3 1, 6 plus 6 12, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 4 minus 3 1. This is our A square. Now let's prove this as 0. Again write A square minus 4a plus 7i2. A square is 1 12 minus 4 1 plus minus 4 times of a. 4 times of a means 4 into 2, that is 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 minus 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 7 into i2. i2 means 1 0 0 1. So 7 1 is 7, 0 0 7. So let's simplify it. 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. 12 minus 12, 0. Minus 4, minus minus plus, cancel out, 0. 1 minus 8 minus 7 plus 7 0 0 7. So clearly minus 7 plus 7, that is 0 0 0 0. This is equal to O. Proved. Next, using this, we have to find A inverse. Let's again write A square minus 4a plus 7i2 is equal to O. Multiply A inverse both sides. A inverse both sides. So A inverse A square means A into A minus 4 A inverse A plus 7 A inverse I2 plus O, sorry, first A inverse into O. So we know A inverse into A, that is I, into A, minus 4 into A inverse into A, that is I, that is 4I, plus 7 A inverse into I2. A inverse into I2, I means same again, that is 7 A inverse. A inverse is equal to 0, that is 0. O means 0. We have to find A inverse, so keep A inverse here, LHS side, 7a inverse is equal to 4I minus I into a means a. So simplified, 4 into I means 4004 minus I means, sorry, minus a means 2, 3, minus 1, 2. So solve it. A inverse is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 0 minus minus 1, that is plus 1, 4 minus 2, that is 2. There is 7 A inverse. So keep 7, take 7 this side, divided by 7. So final A inverse will be 2 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7. This is our final answer. Let's go to the next question. Find the equation of line passing through 2 minus 1, 4, 0 and minus 1 minus 2, 4, 1 using determinant method. Find the point of intersection using matrix method. So equation of line passing through 2 minus 1 and 4, 0. We know that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Putting the points here, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So putting the points here, we get y minus minus 1, that is plus 1, y2 minus y1, 0 minus minus 1, that is 1, 4 minus 2, that is 2, x minus x1, x1 means 2, multiply 2 here, that is 2y plus 2 is equal to x minus 2. So x minus 2y is equal to 4. This is our equation of first line. Next line, another line passing through that is minus 1 minus 2, 4, 1. Again same formula, that is y minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Always write the formulas first. So y minus, this is x1 minus x1 y1, x2 y2. So y minus y1 minus minus plus 2 y1 y2 minus y1, 1 minus minus 2, that is 3 upon 4 minus minus 1, that is 5. that is x minus x1. Minus 1 means plus 1. So multiply 5 with this, that is 5y plus 10 is equal to 3x plus 3. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. This is equation number 2. Now we have two equations, that is x minus 2y is equal to 4 and 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. So write a as coefficient of x and y, that is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5. X as xy and b as b is equal to 4, 7. We know ax is equal to b, so x is equal to a inverse b. For this we have to find first a inverse. A inverse means adjoint A upon mod A. So mod A means minus 5 minus 6, minus 5 plus 6, that is 1, which is not equal to 0. So A inverse can be found. Adjoint A means principal diagonal is reversed, that is minus 5, and sign of secondary diagonal are changed, that is 2 minus 3 1 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 5 2 minus 3 1. This is our A inverse. Now to find x, again write x is equal to A inverse into b, that is minus 5 2 minus 3 1. B means 4 7. So this with this, minus 5 into 4 minus 20 plus 2 7s are 14. This with this, minus 3 into 4 minus 12 plus 1 into 7, that is 7. So x means xy is equal to minus 20 plus 14, that is minus 6, minus 12 plus 7, that is minus 5. So clearly x is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to minus 5. This is our intersection point. So intersection point points x is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to minus 5. This is our final answer. So thanks for watching my videos. If there is any problem and feedback, then do let me know in the comment box. Thanks.